In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export customer data from Whop. If you manage your business on Whop, exporting your customer list is a quick way to back up records, analyze subscriptions, or share a clean spreadsheet with your team. I'll walk you through the exact screens and terminology you'll see, so nothing is confusing along the way. First, log into your Whop account in your web browser. Make sure you're using the account with the correct permissions for your business. If you have multiple organizations, you'll select the one you manage next. Once you're in, look to the left sidebar and open your business. This takes you into the dashboard where all your settings and data live. Inside the dashboard, find the section labeled Users. Click it. This is your central place for members and customers tied to your business. You should now see a customer list with columns like email, plan, status, and more. Take a moment to confirm you're viewing the right business and that the list looks as expected. By the way, to make this easy, I've placed the official Whop link at the very top of the description, so you can go straight to the site if you need it. Next, look for the export option on this page. Depending on your view, it may be labeled Export or Download CSV, often near the top right of the list. Click it. Whop will package your current customer list into a file. Your browser will then download the file to your computer. Some browsers ask you where to save it, others place it in your default downloads folder. If you don't see it immediately, check your downloads tray or that folder on your device. Open the file. It will usually be a CSV, which works perfectly in Excel, Google Sheets, or Apple Numbers. Inside, you'll be able to view customer details such as email addresses, the plans they're on, and other relevant attributes from the users page. Use this file for reporting, reconciliation, or importing into other tools that accept CSVs. A couple of helpful reminders. Keep this data secure, share it only with trusted team members, and consider storing it in a safe location as part of your regular backups. And that's it. You've successfully exported customer data from Whop. If this walkthrough helped, feel free to replay any section as you work through it yourself. Thanks for watching.